Mexc copy trading tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Mexc for copy trading. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Mexc, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Mexc, it is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange that is rapidly grown to serve over 10 million users across more than 170 countries, in which the platform is recognized for its high-performance trading capabilities, boasting a transaction matching engine capable of handling 1.4 million transactions per second. And this efficiency is complemented by a commitment to user security with data hosted independently in multiple jurisdictions to ensure integrity and protections. And also the platform also features competitive trading fees with zero fees for spot trading and minimal fees for future trading, further incentivizing user participation. And now to start creating an account on Mexc, you can also use my affiliate link that we will be directed on this page right here, in which you can sign up using your email address, mobile, Google account, Apple ID, MetaMask, Telegram, and many more. And upon signing in, you will be directed on this platform of mexc.com. And from here, as you can see, we're currently under the markets, and it will show in here all of the data including some of the cryptocurrency, in which it will allow user to execute various types of orders based on their trading strategies and market conditions. And the primary purpose of this feature is to facilitate efficient trading through different order types including market orders, limit orders, and stop limit orders. However, on the top panel, you could also navigate some other options including this buy crypto, spot, features, future M-Day, and many more. And in those options to start navigating the copy trading, just click this futures option, and from here it will show you this copy trade option. Upon clicking on this copy trade, it will allow you to be directed on this page right here, in which this copy trade option serves as a convenient tool for traders who want to replicate the trading strategies of experienced professionals. That's why it will show you in here some of the top traders with its corresponding data of 7-day ROI, 7-day profit and loss, and also 7 days win rate. So basically from here, this feature allows followers to easily copy trades made by selected traders, with the system automatically executing orders based on the same entry and exit prices as lead trader. Now let's say in those top traders, we're going to select this one, which is the first one. By clicking on it, we will be directed to this page, in which under this, it will show us the number of its followers joined, the profit share ratio, and below under statistics, it will show you in here its total performance, or the performance of it for the last 7 days, with its corresponding total win rate. And as you can see in here, it will show you that the total profit and loss is 24,941 with total ROI of 203.19%. And on the right side panel, it will show us the cumulative property and loss and other data in here to help you decide whether or not to copy the trader's strategy in here. So basically, before you copy these traders' kind of strategies, all you need to do is to also assess the trader's performance history, including their win rate, average return on investment or ROI, and risk level. In which from here, you could also navigate some other data including these features, preferences, position distribution for the last 7 days, last 30 days, and many more. So it will show in here the profit and loss ratio and also the data in here. So basically, aside from assessing traders' performance, you also need to look for traders who have consistent track of record of successful trades over a significant period, as this can indicate reliability and expertise. Now, as you can see, it will show in here under lead trade stats some of the features: amount, average, entry price, and the data of their profit and loss ratio, in which you could also see here the result, and use this as your guide before choosing or following some of these strategies. And aside from that, you also need to consider the trader's strategy and style, in which some traders may focus on short-term gains with high-frequency trades, while others might adopt a long-term investment approach. And now to see the trading pairs that this trader investing, you could also click down in here, and it will show you all the token and also cryptocurrency that has been invested by this investor or also traders. And to start following these strategies, you could also click this follow button in here, in which it will show you all of these terms and conditions before also copying the trader's strategies and style. So make sure that you also read the service agreement in here before you also confirm the button below. However, to do so, make sure that you also complete the KYC verification in order to start trading or using some of this data as your guide to start trading on this platform or copying the traders' strategy and style in trading. But for instance, if you already fill out the KYC verification, and you will be directed on this page upon following some of the traders. So you will be directed on this page right here upon following, in which all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including the copy trade amount, the copy trade mode, and on the left side panel you could also select some other coins or cryptocurrency that you also want to trade in which this basically all of the cryptocurrency that has been trading by these traders. And after filling out all of the required information under this copy trade amount and copy trade mode, you can now proceed by clicking this next step button to proceed. Now going back on this page right here, in choosing some of the traders or in choosing the right traders, we could also use this search bar, including the search for a specific kind of trading pairs, let's say this ETH to USD. By clicking on it, it will show us in here all of the result of the traders that's been using by this kind of trading pairs. And from here, you also need to consider some of the data in here, including the 7-day ROI, 7-day profit and loss, and also their win rate performance data. You could also see here some of the user with 7-day ROI of more than 100% in just 7 days. It will show in here by simply navigating on the top panel, including the 7-day profit and loss, 7-day win rate, total ROI, and many more. And if you also want to add in your watch list, you could do so by simply going in here, going back on this page, and by clicking this heart sign or this heart icon, it will automatically add it to your watch list, in which you can track this kind of user, including its performance and also some other data about this user or trader. So you can simply click this watch list button and you will be directed in here, in which it will show you all of these traders. Now aside from that, in choosing a trader, you also need to consider to evaluate the trader's level of engagement and communication, in which active traders who provide regular updates and insights can enhance your understanding of market dynamics and help you make informed decisions. And finally, it is also advisable to start with smaller investment when following a new trader to gauge in performance without exposing yourself to excessive risk. And by carefully selecting a trader based on these criteria, you could also enhance your chances of success in the copy trading environment on Mexc. Now aside from these top traders, you could also navigate here below under professional traders, in which you can choose all of this kind of traders instead of top traders, since the difference between professional traders and top traders on Mexc copy trading platform lies in their trading experience, risk management strategies, and overall performance. In which, as you can see here, these professional traders are more likely to be stable, in which they have the kind of individuals or traders who have extensive knowledge of the cryptocurrency market and have been actively trading for a significant period. So basically, once you copy the traders, the strategies and style, you can also see here under orders on the top panel, all of your open order, trade history, and many more. So basically, that is just how you can use Mexc for copy trading. Thank you.